everyone, check it out, the new Haloblk number series. So what makes this absolutely unique is the fact that you can put any two numbers here, any two digits you want, and any one or two lines of text. Honestly, I didn't know I could do one line at the time, but be the change, yeah, a little cliched, but whatever, so am I. TeslaMark. Honestly, going back, I probably would have done one line. If you do one line, it's bigger text, and there's a limit to the size here, but anyway, I think you get the idea. And then here we got these center caps with like this anodized look to it, and being red, wasn't sure how that was really going to go. I got a whole black and white thing going on here, but I really love it. Now, what I have done here too is decided to take the front one off. Okay, I'll have a bunch of pictures with both of them on, but just like a whole different look. And why not? I've got the red calipers here that kind of goes with the red center caps over here. That's the great thing about these caps is you can do what you want, and they go on and off so quickly. So we'll do a quick unboxing, take a closer look at them, and full install. Install is so simple, and show you why that these are probably the best wheel covers to buy. You've obviously, style is subjective, but in terms of quality, these can't be beat. And please use the affiliate link down below. It'll really help me out this year. Thank you. Oh yeah, check it out. Oh, come on now, check that out. Look at the finish on this sucker. Still plastic, but that is a really slick metallic finish. Nice. So we've got the standard here in terms of superb center locking hubs. This is what really makes this kit. And now they make it, they've got an H1, H2 version, different offset, different dish, and they now work for all kinds of different Tesla wheels. If you check out, I'll put links to my video. I actually have a way to make these wheel covers work on pretty much any wheel. All right, remove old wheel caps. All right, these are the center locking bolts. Nice touch. Cool, very nice touch. Keep your factory wheels safe just in case. Allen wrench, you're gonna need that. Oh yes, the sketch. Gotta have the sketches. Okay, in the manual here, it shows you a little bit more about, the washer, the different H1, H2 hubs, and, you really have to look at your compatibility chart to see what wheels you have so that you know which one of these parts is going to work best, and the wheel cover fits on there, just the way it should. So here on the compatibility chart, it shows you all of the wheels that you need to use the H1 for, and all of the wheels you need to use the H2 for. All right, let's get to the really good stuff. Wow, whoa, all right, look at this. Obviously, completely custom here. I chose the number 3 because, Model 3. For my text, be the change. TeslaMark. Okay, backside. This is not just like some tape, okay? This is some nice, like, heavy-duty rubber stuff on here. This is not going to damage your wheel. There's nothing else raised on here that is higher than this rubber, so you don't need to add any tape to this, but they do supply that other tape to put on your wheel, which, honestly, it's a good idea to have something here and actually on the wheel. So I've tested a number of different wheel covers and wheel caps and things like that, and these are by far the highest quality. And those hubs that come with it, those are what really make it. These things aren't just like some goofy snap-on thing that hopefully doesn't jiggle off later or wiggle off or, ruin your wheel or anything like that. These are like, this is high quality stuff. All right, let's get this on the car already. Clearly we got to do something about this. Ah, look at that.